never assume a cough in an old dog. It's just kennel cough. I think there are times where being a dog owner for a long time and having experience with dogs can be really helpful. And then there's times where it just gets in your way, such as if you notice a cough coming on very quickly for an older dog that has a history of heart disease and is on heart medications, don't assume because you've seen a lot of kennel cough, don't assume it's the same thing in your old dog. There are just too many diseases that older dogs are prone to. A lot of them will have heart disease and heart murmurs. So never assume a cough in an old dog. It's just kennel cough.